He asks, while it is accepted that we have to do our duties for the pleasure of Krishna, even in official working, we have to offer the results of our actions to Krishna. At times, this may invite clash of interest with boss or colleagues. What are the words in Bhagavad Gita to help us to handle such situations? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu. So Krishna is saying very clearly in Bhagavad Gita that whatever you do it for me. So in the ninth chapter, Krishna says that Yat karosi, yat dasnasi, yat jugosi, tadasyat, yat tapasasi kaunteya, tat kurusva mandarpam. So that is what Krishna is saying. So in the ninth chapter, 27th sloka. So whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that was son of Kunti as an offering unto me. So at work, we need to work because we need to maintain our life, maintain our family, all such things. But we need to understand that all the results belong to Krishna. It is not those results, they don't belong to boss or belong to the shareholders or belong to the CEO or all the results, everything belongs to Krishna. That's what we need to understand. Because Krishna is the Sarvaloka Maheswaram. Whether we are having attachment to the results or not, the truth, the reality is that Krishna is the proprietor. Krishna is the owner of everything. That's what we need to know. So everything is owned by Krishna. We in between, when we take birth here, in between we think that we are owning this, we are owning that, this is on our name, so this is registered in our name, like that. But everything is owned by Krishna only. So chara, achara, both moving and non-moving. So we also have that immovable assets, movable assets, all those things. But all those chara and achara, all moving and non-moving assets, everything is owned by Krishna. That's what we need to understand. Mayadi yakshena prakriti suyate se chara achara. So that way, if even at work, if we are working for Krishna, then Krishna will give us the knowledge and intelligence to handle all kinds of situations. That's what we need to know. Because we will not end up in such kind of difficult situations, struggling to decide what to do. If we are really working for Krishna, then it is Krishna's job to make sure that we are doing everything. Like Arjuna. Arjuna was in a difficult situation, but Krishna told Arjuna that I have killed everybody already. You just shoot the arrows. Dronam cha bhismam cha jayadradam cha karnam tata jnanapi yoda veeran mayahatam tvam jahima vyatista yudyasva chetasi rane sapatna. So they are all already killed by my arrangement. You just shoot your arrows. That's it. So like that, even at work, whatever we do, the results, everything is already arranged by Krishna. So we just have to do without any attachment to the results. So then Krishna will guide us. Krishna will give us the knowledge, intelligence, everything, so that we can do excellent job at work also. Because when we are doing it for Krishna, we will not have any attachment. We will be able to do much, much better actually. So that way things will go in the right direction. Hare Krishna. Understand that, Prabhu?
Hare Krishna, Guruji.
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
My question is, in such a situation, quite often we have got two options, either to quit or compromise, or we have to take it on. Now, as per the message of the Bhagavad Gita, one has to stand by the dharma, that is the righteousness. And if he does that, then he has to basically put up a fight. In such a situation, the life is likely to be miserable.
It is specific to a situation. It's very difficult to answer. Unless you know the exact situation, it can be answered, Prabhu.
Actually, Guruji, we find the situations are coming almost on daily basis. Because as we go deep into the message of the Bhagavad Gita, we find there are many things which are going wrong in the day-to-day life, everywhere. And we have to take a decision whether to compromise or we have to put up a fight.
It all depends on. That's what I said that. What if you put up a fight? Will you be able to win or not? All those lot of things. This will get into too much discussion actually, Prabhu. But in general, whatever I answered is only in general. So what happens is that when you want to work for Krishna, when you want to please Krishna, so then we will not end up in that kind of situations. That's what I'm trying to say, Prabhu. Krishna will save us. So Krishna,
But,
we are very protected by Krishna, Prabhu.
but if we do our duties by constantly remembering Krishna, so will we get out of such situations?
That is correct. Krishna will make sure. Krishna will. That's what Krishna is going to do. Krishna is not going to simply sit idle and ourselves suffering. He's going to guide us, Prabhu. He's guiding us all the time. Through Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is guiding everything, Prabhu.
Okay, right.
So
Thank you,
main
Guruji.
thing is, main thing is that we need to consider this teaching Bhagavad Gita, spreading Bhagavad Gita as the primary job, Prabhu. That is the main thing. We need to do that as a primary service to Krishna. So then everything you will be able to see that all other jobs, everything is actually done by Krishna. He will take care. He will do it very nicely, Prabhu.
Okay.
So we need to
So we have to maintain our faith and keep on doing.
What, Prabhu?
We have to maintain our faith. We have to maintain our faith and coolness, and then keep on putting
Yes.
up whatever we wish is the right.
That
Thank
is
you.
correct. Just depend on Krishna. In all
Thank you.
situations, fully depend
Thank
on
you.
Krishna. That is the only thing, Prabhu. Hare
Right.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.